In this video, I will be guiding you guys on how to fix Affirm won't approve me. So let's get started. Now, if Affirm won't approve you, it usually comes down to eligibility requirements and risk assessment. Affirm is a buy now, pay later lender, which means it provides short-term financing and then evaluates whether you qualify before approving a purchase. Now, one major factor is your credit profile. Affirm performs what's called a soft credit check, which is a review of your credit history that does not impact your credit score, but it still analyzes factors like payment history, outstanding debt, and overall credit usage. And credit usage refers to how much of your available credit you are using and how high usage can lower approval chances. So, high usage of credit is bad because that means that you have a low credit score, because that also means that you're spending a lot of your credit and you're not paying most of it back sooner or concurrently as you're purchasing, and you're not paying back within a short amount of time. You're just on credit always, you're always in debt and loan, and that shows a poor credit score. So it's same with Affirm. If Affirm assesses your credit, gets a soft credit check, and your credit score goes below, it goes over to the fair or poor part, then Affirms is less likely to give you good financial plans that are beneficial for you, because it puts Affirm at risk of you not paying them back after you have made the purchase using Affirm. Obviously, those with good or excellent credit scores, they would get those financial plans from Affirm. So this might be one of those reasons why Affirm isn't approving you. Now, another reason for denial could be insufficient credit history, meaning you don't have enough borrowing records for Affirm's system to assess risk. Or maybe like income stability also matters, and as lenders evaluate whether you are likely to repay the loan on time. Now, sometimes the issue is not your credit at all. It could be the purchase amount being really high, previous missed payments with Affirm, or inconsistent personal information entered during checkout. It could be one of these. So if you're denied, try reducing the purchase amount, and maybe that ensuring that your personal details match official records, and checking your credit reports for errors. You can also wait and try again later perhaps, as approval decisions can vary depending on real-time risk assessment. And well, if the problem still continues, try contacting Affirm support, because they may help clarify whether there are maybe perhaps account restrictions or whatever problem is that you're facing for why they're not approving you. So anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out, and that will be it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.